Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we have a question that we're answering that Wade, our videographer, gave to us. Because he said, you know, people will be curious about this. And so we took on the challenge. And the question was, what are 3 things that you love, need in your plant-based kitchen? So do you want to start? Want to go first, Mommy?
You go first. You.
No, you go.
I don't want to.
Should we alternate?
Yes, let's alternate. We actually haven't checked on
We
this with
haven't
each
compared with each. We haven't compared notes. So one thing that do you want to go first? I think. Please, Madame.
All right, I will go first. Actually, I think I was first to learn about this. Was I not?
I don't know what you're talking about.
My tovolo.
Oh my gosh, your tovolo. Yes.
My tovolo. I love my tovolo.
So much. Like we all have.
I love my tovolo so much.
No, look how much
you made. My tovolo, which melted because it was on the fire. It was on the stove.
It's become genetic. Like we literally all have so many tovolos.
So this is my tovolo, and what I love, I use this rounded edge all the time. Jane, could you get the big one out? The right. Oh, here.
Yeah. You can have this one, Mom. You can take my purple one.
And then, because I love the, this is the rounded edge, sorry. And this is, I stir, I use it all the time. But this one is cool when you want to scoop things, or you want to get a little spoonful. I mean, it's great.
I only use this end. I never use this end.
That's funny.
Because this is like a rubber spatula and a stir and a spoon and a finger. It gets in everywhere. This is pointy and gets drippy.
Yeah, well,
you can have mine. You can have mine since you burnt off yours, and I would be happy with this one.
No. Well, oh really?
Yeah, because I only use that end.
I'll keep both. I have a lot, but I have a couple that
I have like 4.
Melted.
I don't even need.
I have some that are melted. I mean, it's like so sad. I could not believe it when I looked over, and it was just sitting there. I use it. I leave it out beside the stove.
Here, wait, look, here. This is how much I use this. I never use this end, but look at, this has been chopped by my Cuisinart.
Let me tell you the solution.
Oh, it's the solution.
Because I love the tovolo.
Wait, is this the second thing you're taking?
No, this is my first thing.
Oh, this is still for first. Okay.
This is my early wood, and I love this. It hasn't burned yet, but it also scoops things out so nicely, or this end for spreading. And I use these for spreading. I mean, I couldn't spread hummus on anything unless
you gave everyone this for holiday.
Early wood.
Lots of different versions thereof. And it's great with it's great because we have ceramic pans, and all these things can be used.
Oh, that's maybe we have to go to our. Oh, have you gone yet?
No, I have not gone yet. I think you're ready to go on your next one because it blends well. Why don't you go for your next one?
Oh, well, my next one is I absolutely love the Caraway pans with this lovely ceramic inside. And you can use this with it, and this is so nice with it. And in my cereal in the morning, which I make every day, I use it in this pan. And I can scrape right here and get everything out just with this, and then have a bite, a last bite. So I love the Caraway.
I want to talk about Caraway in general, actually, because it's not just the pans, but like this is a pan, but that's pot, frying pan, sheet pan, I'm going to call it just for sake. But these have been so surprising to all of us, like how wonderful they are.
Because you don't need any parchment paper.
Or oil or anything. I mean, they're wonderful. And they come in different colors.
And literally, you just put them under the faucet, and it just falls off.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So you've got tovolo and Caraway. And the situation here is that these are also...
And I've gotten a fully formed new tovolo in my favorite color. It was worth it today.
Yes. Sorry for all the noise. Goodness. So tovolo and Caraway. Mom, you're going to kick it in the goal. What's your last one?
My last one.
We're doing 3, and you just did 2.
Well, I brought home over this because this is my favorite thing. I have this literally in front of my sink. I never have to take a step anywhere because there is the knife that I'm using. Here are the scissors that I use all the time. And
Wait, can you get
are
up close?
on-
It even has like the herbage that kale that she was cutting this morning falling off of it.
Yeah, and that's because I never put any knives in the dishwasher. You shouldn't do that. It dulls them. So I rinse them and I put them back right up. I mean, it is so nice. And my scissors, but these 3 little spoons I love. And this and this.
Spoons? Knife.
These little knives are great. And they're Victorinox. They're a Swiss classic paring knives. And what I like is this one has a rounded edge and this one has a pointy edge. And they're right here where I can get either one if I need a pointy, if I need a rounded, and they just do such a good job. And then this one was a present. And it is global. Anyway, this is the sharpest knife I've ever seen. So when you want something so sharp, here it is, right there. And then, for the things like this that I don't use all the time, but I use often, this is my zester, it goes on the back, not out of the way. And then here, if I need something like this, it's here. And this is my lovely bread knife. So, there I am. I'm so happy. And this is right, literally, in front of me. So I can just pick out what I want without taking one step anywhere or looking in a drawer.
It's right there.
There they are.
Well, it's so funny because...
But I got this because of you.
I know, and that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. Like because
I found
because
my own
Brian, my husband Brian we did some inventing for like plants only. This is a plants only block, this thing, but we're no longer making the blocks. But he made this, and I love how I could put these upside down so I can just grab them because I don't like how your blades are in the air, Mommy. That scares me. I like having the. Just
I
be able to
could
grab-
blade down if I wanted.
I think it's how it's supposed to be used.
No.
Honestly, yeah, because then you can grab the hand. No, like that even.
I'm blades up.
Blades of glory. Okay, so this magnetic thing, this literally, this piece Brian made, and it is life-changing for, and then we put this little side saddle because we use so many little wee knives all the time. So I'm glad you said that because everything that you've talked about has been I agree. And I bet there's going to be some agreement in what we both have next. And actually, what's so funny is I put this out because if you didn't talk about Tovolo, I was going to mention that Caraway also has this great little Tovolo kind of thing. Feel it, it's firm. It's kind of a blend of what you and I both like. I don't like the color, but it's...
I never have used it. What is it for?
It's a Tovolo.
Oh, but
It has the properties of it's like a...
oh yeah.
Anyway, so the 3 things... So, Mommy, let's review. Tovolo,
Caraway,
and a magnetic knife.
magnetic knife.
What who makes this?
But what I love is mine is on both sides, and
Yeah,
it's
see,
soft.
I would do it like this, Mom.
Jane.
I would.
No.
I know because then I wouldn't cut. Then she was walking over with this today from her house with the blades all pointed up, and I was like, she's just gonna stab herself in the jugular. Okay, so my 3 things that I would need in my plant-based kitchen, besides the ones that you already said, I'm glad you went first, is I could not live without my food processor. Oh, love my food processor. It is. You could hardly even see through what was supposed to be a clear. I think they call these wells.
Yeah, I'm on my 3rd or 4th.
Well, not the motor's great, but this. I drive this thing I don't know who's a current NASCAR driver. Do you know NASCAR? No. Mario Andretti is the only person I can think of, but I drive this thing so hard, like Ricky Bobby. Another reference is not to Blades of Glory, but to Talladega Nights. So definitely a food processor is something that I need in my plant-based kitchen.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Oh, I agree.
Okay.
So we should have had 4 things.
5. Other things I couldn't live without is things to handle, things that work with citrus. Because we do so much zesting of limes and lemons and even oranges. Yep, I like how you snuck it in there. That was great. But also, I love the lemon press because I just squeeze so many lemons and limes with this.
I am so frustrated that the lemon press won't fit on here. It doesn't. I wish they'd make a magnetic one.
Keep pushing for it. Okay, so my plant processor, my citrus, and then definitely any kind of rice cooker. And I say rice cooker, grain cooker, whatever you want to. And this happens to be an Instapot version of a rice cooker. We're not Instapot people, but Anne's kind of working on it. But some sort of rice cooker. We've had so many. We had one for 16 years after our wedding. I cannot remember the name of it. It was like Pong, like the video game Pong. It was so simple. It was like off or on, boom, that was it. But it was amazing. Our next one was a Zeroshi.
I gave you that.
I know, the Zeroshi.
Didn't you love it?
You did. I think something happened to the plug. We must have stepped on it or something, but it started like, we'd plug it in and the whole house would lose power. And I would plug it in again, the whole house would lose power. So I decided to take this power thing to be recycled at our metal recycling center. And now we have this one. And what I like is that a rice cooker can cook any grains. If friends are visiting, and we had a friend who was leaving at 4 in the morning, we put steel cut oats in overnight. He couldn't have had overnight oats, but he liked oatmeal, so we made it in here. And you just up and go. You don't have to get up and make food for your friend at 4 a.m. Anyway, I love the variety of it, and you know what? We cook all kinds of grains in here with other grains like rice with wild rice or with quinoa. It works for all stuff. So we could go on and on. There's so many things, but I think these are, wouldn't you say these are kind of our top?
Do you know what I love? I love my colors. I just love the colors here. I just think it's so much fun just to see the colors.
No, but I'm with you on, like, I whip the knives out of the dishwasher and I throw them on like any way. So I usually have them pell-mell. But anyway, so in review, Caraway, Tovolo, and this is a WLM magnetic knife holder.
Oh, look.
Here, let's show Wade. There's
This is the one I got.
We'll try to have.
I gave them to all our children for Christmas, and I think I'm probably going to re-inherit them all back. But no, I didn't. You, because you had that. But this one worked the best.
And we hope to have links for these, you guys. And if you want to use our affiliate link, great. Helps us keep making videos. If not, get it how you will. For me, food processor, citrus, help, and a rice cooker. So this has been really fun to do. Thank you for the question, Wade. All right. And let us know what's in your plant-based kitchen, or what do you need in your kitchen. Let us know in the notes. Okay. See you soon.